Well, bam. Okay. Hello. Hi, everyone. Hi, PogChamp Sensei. I see you in the chat. Hello. Good morning or afternoon, evening, wherever you are. We're having another coding battle today with a really special guest today. We have freaking Code Life. Code Life or CL. Can you please introduce yourself, please?
Hello, hello. Hi. I go by CL or Code Live, and I have been trying to teach myself machine learning and natural language processing, I'd say for the past year through streams. When I get the call for people to do a competition or like a Leetcode problem, I answer. I cannot not answer. But I will lose, so look forward to that.
Yeah, I first saw you. Wait, well, actually, I think the first stream I saw of you was the collab with the Leetcode one, and I started looking into your
Mm,
stuff. I was like, oh, very cool, coding VTubers. Hmm,
yes.
yeah,
Yes, we
and
are
then
rare breed, but
yeah, for real,
we
y'all are
are
hard to
coding
find.
coding VTubers. Same to you.
Yeah,
You are we.
hey, but yeah, you're a IRL software engineer, right, in the Middle East?
Basically, yes. Thank you for helping me talk about myself better. So I do have bachelor's in computer science and a master's in software engineering.
Hmm.
And I have um done like web development, Android development.
Oh,
Oh, oh my God, they cannot hear me. My chat can my uh-oh.
oh no,
Okay, I think I fixed it. Hi.
nice.
So, yeah, I have done web development, Android development. I taught myself Java.
Oh,
I knew C sharp, and then I taught myself Python. So if you can hear me, which is yeah. So now my focus is more on ML related stuff, but I don't want my programming to die. So that's why I'm here.
oh, I see. Very cool.
Hey,
Wait, so,
Chet,
mhm.
uh, do you want to do you want to introduce yourself as well, or do you want me to talk more?
Oh, you can talk some more. Do you have more stuff you
I'm
want to
almost
say?
done, but I wanted you to not really. I wanted to see if you had any questions so that I can answer.
Oh yeah, sure. What's it like getting a software engineering job in the Middle East?
Ah, good question. Okay. Um, all right. So you might assume that there are a lot of oil companies, and you would be right. But I don't work for I've never worked for an oil company. Um, I think um, depending on where you graduated, depending on um, because for me, the main thing that worked the best was my network and connections.
Mm.
Oh my God, my internet is bad. Sorry. Yeah, so just having a network that people can refer you to at least get your foot in the door for interviews is great. Because I've done that, but I also have done the sending out your CV and filling out applications and then going to interviews and then getting rejected and then going to another one and then getting accepted. So I've seen both sides of um yeah, like being referred through a person or just you going in cold.
Hmm.
But like both are possible. I feel like it's less being referred through a person I don't know, in like the Americas or the Europes. Or maybe not. I don't know. What do you think?
Mm. I think we still have referrals like in the Middle East. I think that's pretty universal. Um, I'm not sure how much like advantage that gives you though. Usually it just bumps you up to the interviews. Like it more so guarantees you an interview if you don't get a
Mm.
referral.
You still have to do well.
Yeah, you still have to do pretty well in the interviews. They still start you at zero at the interviews, but at least
Mm.
you're guaranteed an
Mm.
interview, you know? Um, but I have
Mm.
friends who are like product managers. They're telling me that referrals are starting to be less and less effective. Like they don't really guarantee you an interview
Mm.
anymore at some places. And yeah, I have gotten referrals at some places and I actually did not get an interview. So yeah, times might be changing at some
Wow.
places.
Mm.
Yeah, job
I
market
was,
pretty
yeah.
not okay
Mm.
right now.
Yeah. And another thing that I have actually like given out advice to people that are younger than me is like try to do internships as much as possible, which is like a thing that we do here. Sometimes it's even supported by the university. They're like, you need to do internship for this many days before you
Mhm.
graduate. It like opens your network, and even if you don't get a job at that company, you actually at least know a person, which is great. They can send you jobs and stuff like that.
Oh, that's so cool. So you're
I think
like guaranteed an
do this,
internship?
right?
So you're like, oh, sorry. So you're
Depending
guaranteed
on the
internship?
university, though.
Oh, okay.
Mm. It
Hmm,
wasn't a
that's,
requirement for me, but I still did an internship. Yeah.
I see. I I wish our university also sort of like recommended or almost mandated that because I almost didn't get an internship.
Mm.
I didn't know I was supposed to like even find one during the in university. Like it would help me until like I saw my other friends starting to search for stuff too. It's like, oh,
No
maybe I should do this too.
way. Mm.
Yeah. Someone in my chat says
Mm.
referrals at Fangs don't matter now unless it's L6 plus referral, meaning it's probably senior engineer, which kind of sucks.
Yeah.
Mm.
Mm. Yeah. I'm glad that I don't need to try for Fang. Maybe
I'm glad for
someday.
now. Yeah. Is that like the dream for like a lot of
Mm.
people like in the Middle East or across the globe to get into a Fang company?
Probably. Like I barely know a person who works at Meta, so that's something.
Oh.
But I don't probably like again, again, yeah, I'm just saying probably. Like for me, my dream was to work at NASA. Yeah.
Oh. Oh, why'd you want to work at
Yeah.
NASA? That's
What
pretty
about you?
cool.
Um, I like space. Like some,
Mm.
I don't know anyone else who likes space. Yeah. I'm talking about you, by the way.
Oh. Wait, how'd you know I was an astronaut? Did I ever say I was an astronaut? Yeah, my VTuber is like kind of astronauty, I think. Maybe hair sparkly.
Mm.
Mm.
Mm. It feels like you're in zero G.
Really?
Okay. Someone in chat is saying a fan company, like working for vampires. Yes. They really suck your blood dry, don't
Mm,
they?
yes. The vampires
Um,
pay very well.
okay. Uh, I mean, they've been alive for decades, so you can't blame them. Yeah. What about you? Can I ask what got you into CS related things?
Yeah, sure. Well, in high school, I originally was really interested in like computer animation, like Pixar animations. I joined the robotics team. They had a 3D animation
Mm.
department. I ironically did not work on the robot at all in high school. I just made 3D animations.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, it was really fun. I think if I don't go into CS, I would have become like some kind of animator by now.
Wow. I
Yeah.
mean, the fact that you have built your own model is just
Oh, yeah.
really cool. Like,
Thank you. Yeah, I did 3D model this myself from my past skills.
yeah.
But yeah,
Wow.
I think a
I
friend
took
invited
I
me.
took
Oh, sorry, go ahead.
yeah. No, I took we had a media, something media, and one of the things that we learned was Blender. So I know
Oh,
like
no way.
very basics. Yeah.
Wait, is this like a
Felt kind of
college
fake
class?
in Blender.
What? That's so
Yeah, it
cool.
was.
What?
Yes,
I
yes,
wish we had a
it
class
was.
like that. Our the university I
Mm.
went to kind of sucked for like art slash 3D stuff. There was like a student ran club. They gave out like they sort of ran a class for it, but it wasn't like an official university class. Mm.
Hmm. Yeah, but I think we didn't have clubs at high school, so yeah, I grew up in a family that we always had a computer around, so I never felt like it was like a magical. I mean, like I've had friends that got to see a computer for the first time because they came to our house, so I am like really
Oh,
lucky in that sense. That I yeah, didn't think computers were something that I can't touch.
oh, oh yeah. You
But
mentioned this
I
on
said
the
this before and
on the CL stream
yeah. Yeah.
or not on the Z stream. Yeah,
Yeah.
I watched
Yeah.
that a bit.
Just like the fact that I wrote my first line of code when I was 18. So I didn't start off even though I grew up with computers, I didn't start learning to code until later.
Mm, yeah.
Yep.
Oh yeah, I wanted to. What kind of computer did you guys have in the in like 1999? Was it like the huge beige boxy screen kinds?
Yeah.
Windows
Uh
99?
um I mean, I remember like once um when I was a graduate student, lecturer asked what was the first Windows you used, and I messaged my sibling, and they got back to me saying this, and I read it out loud, and the lecturer was like, "Oh my God, how?" I don't even remember what the actual name was, but it was like Windows something before XP or something. But I
No
was
way.
then, so I just remember watching memes. Um, yeah, I mean memes before, if you remember, were things that you had to save and then send by God knows what. I'm not that old, hey. But yeah,
My
I used to like do a lot of paint drawings and like teaching myself to type better, stuff like that.
Oh, I see.
Yeah,
Hmm. I
yeah.
remember we had a really old computer at home too. I don't remember what it was. Probably XP or Windows 99 or something. My brother would play like a
Mm.
game called Road Rash and also a really weird chess game where the pieces would come alive and attack each other. It's like very ingrained in our memories. Yeah, we didn't
Ah,
access the internet much though. I think it was really hard to
oh,
use the internet on that boxy thing. So we just play games.
pretty slow. Yeah. But you made me remember something. It was a typing game. You were
Hmm.
driving a car, and if you got something wrong, like insect would die on your screen, and you couldn't see what was before you. I remember doing that one.
Oh my gosh. Wait, I may have played a similar game in elementary school. I think they forced us to play that game in computer lab time because they were teaching us to type. Maybe.
Wow.
I have a
Yeah.
very vague memory of that.
Wow. I remember like just finding out what videos on YouTube. Life became
Oh,
different.
oh, when you discovered YouTube, what's
Like
the
I'm
first
just
YouTube video you
genuinely,
watched?
yeah. So I don't remember exactly, but I remember being hooked on Annoying Orange.
Oh, Annoying Orange. He's around for that long?
Yeah. Uh I like the first video, it's definitely before 2010s.
Hmm.
But I don't, yeah, because YouTube is 2006, so I don't know how. Um yeah, if possible, if anyone is watching on chat's side, I'm sorry for my bad internet. I hope you can hear me at least from there. My internet is not great.
Oh yeah, they can
Um
hear you fine.
my
I can hear you
stream is,
fine.
yeah, thank you. Okay. Um
Yeah.
should we try some lead code? Because I really enjoyed
Yeah.
talking to you, but I think we're supposed to do some lead code.
Oh yeah, true. It's been 20 minutes. Okay. Um, Do you want to do a countdown and then we can start the timer for 1 hour and then we can start coding?
Okay. I thought I was stalling. I thought if I continued talking, the time for coding would be less, but nope. Okay.
Wow, that was your plan.
I lose. All right.
No, we are doing,
So how do I do the countdown?
you just say 3, 2, 1, and then I'll press start for the
Oh,
timer.
I thought it's a thing. By the way, the room code.
Yeah,
I'm not supposed to share it, am I? Hmm. If I
preferably
exit,
no.
I will go out. I have a solution that I'm currently working on, which is hiding it like this. Let me know if it works. I'm going to share my screen.
Whoa,
Ta-da! Yeah, I think it's pretty hidden because I
I
just made
don't,
the screen wider.
I don't see your screen.
I mean, you can't see it, but yeah. Oh, I'm sharing it on stream, not to you.
Oh,
But
okay.
should I share it with you? No.
Well,
That's good.
I
Yep,
trust
you
you.
can't see the code. Oh, good.
Okay, that's good. I trust you.
Mwahahaha.
All right, you want to do a countdown? Oh, do you have a way to maintain the time on your side too for like 1 hour? Oh, hi Z. Z is in the chat. Hello.
Mm,
Thanks for the shout out by the way on
Hi,
Discord.
hi. Hello. Yes, I will do a timer for 1 hour.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, for context for people in the chat, this is gonna be a relatively chill one. CL says she just wants to have fun, so I will match her pace too. Heck yes.
Thank you. Z, what's up? Thank you. My internet is horrible, but I'm having fun. So you should probably watch it on chat side. Um, okay. So do I start the timer?
You can
What
just say 3, 2, 1 and then
should
start the
we do?
timer.
Okay.
Oh,
3. Do I continue the time countdown? Because I go 3, you go 2, and then I go 1. That's how it should be.
oh, we alternate? Okay, let's go again then.
Okay, 5,
4,
3,
2,
1. Okay, go.
go. All right,
Okay.
I'll see you later then. I'll mute
Um,
myself for now.
we continue what we have, right? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Muting as well.
All right, see ya. Good luck. Oh, we are we are alone together, boys. Hi Z. Hi Solaris. Do you only read the chat on YouTube? No, it should be Twitch and YouTube consolidated. Okay, what is this? Minimum string length after removing substrings. See, I can see Solaris say cool. It's both. Okay. Minimum string length after removing substrings. The heck is this? You're given a string S consisting only of uppercase English letters. Okay, uppercase. You can apply some operations to this string where in one operation you can remove any occurrence of one of the substrings A, B, C, D, or from S. You can remove any occurrence of one of the substrings A, B, or C, just these two. Return the minimum possible length of the resulting string that you can obtain. Note that the string concatenates after removing the substring and could produce new A, B, or C, D substrings. Oh, shizzle. Okay. Okay, so for this example, we first remove AB over here, then it becomes like this, and then we remove CD, and then we form another AB, so then we remove it and it turns into FC. Oh, shizzle. Yeah. Okay, this sounds like a iterative thing. So, okay, what do we do here? Sounds like iteration. So while there's no more A, B, and C, Ds in here, well, while there's still A, Bs, and C, Ds in here, we check if, well, should that be the stop condition? We can probably keep checking if there exists A, Bs, and C, Ds, and then removing it. And then keep checking, okay, is there more A, Bs, and C, Ds? Remove. Keep checking, is there A, Bs, and C, Ds? And when there isn't, then you return the current string length, I believe. I feel like that's it. Is that the right stop condition, though? By the way, CL says that she's going to take it easy. How hard should I believe that? People have told me they're going to take it easy before. Or some people have pretended that they don't know anything, and they blow me out completely. Okay. I'm still confused what the stop condition should be. What is the app or extension you use to see the problems and text on the right pane? Oh, this is called Leetrooms. Yeah, Leetrooms. Leetrooms.com, this one. Yeah, it's a Chrome extension that allows you to create and join rooms in Leetcode. Yeah. Okay, I'm still trying to decide what the stop condition of this should be. Should we keep track of the previous string length and then during a loop when the string length doesn't change, meaning we don't remove any characters because we haven't found any ABs or CDs, that means the string is good, we have no more jobs to do, and then we can just return that string length. I think that's it. That's the algorithm, right? Okay, cool. Sure. So we'll do previous length is equal to s.length and then current length. Should we do this? Should we just set this to some bogus value first, and then current length is equal to s.length. Okay, and then while the previous length is not equal to the current length, meaning we remove some stuff. How do you search for substrings in a string? Java string existence of substring. Oh, index of and oh, index of and last index of. Got you, okay. So we can do int I is equal to index of. How do you use index of? How do I use index of? Oh, index of here. No, it's an add dot index of food. Okay. So s dot index of AB. What does it return if it doesn't find it? -1. Okay, sure. If I is not equal to -1, well, it's greater than or equal to 0, I believe, meaning it exists, then we need to take it out somehow. So in problem 1, it should be at 0. 0. What does that mean for us? We need to concatenate from 0, 0 to 0, 1, from 2 onwards. Okay, so s is equal to s dot substring from before the AB place and after the AB place, we add it together. So 0, to I exclusive, and then plus s dot substring Wait, is CL doing two sum? Oh, hi CL. My chat says you're doing two sum.
Hi. I wasn't sure how it starts. I looked at the room and I didn't see anything, but two sum is not supposed to be what I'm working on. I feel like I've been caught.
Uh, oh, no, there's four problems that are generated on the right. I can share my screen. Hold on. Share screen.
Oh no, I
Go
see
live.
them. I see the ones that are in the right. I choose one here.
Oh, yeah. These are the four problems that are randomly generated, and then you can click on them to, display the problem.
And then choose one or
Yeah, these are the four problems that are randomly generated. The game is whoever solves the most in 1 hour wins out of these four.
ah, okay. Sorry for not realizing that sooner.
Oh,
Um,
no worries.
we have like 50 minutes left. It's fine.
Yeah, we'll be fine.
Mm-hmm. So I can choose whichever I select, like whichever
Yeah,
I
you can do these in any order. So if you get stuck on one, you can like skip
ah,
it. Yeah, stuff like that.
perfect.
Yeah, sorry,
Thank
I maybe
you.
should have explained him better. It's the four problems on the
No,
right.
no, no. I'm here to um lose. That was the goal. I just should have lost on the correct solution. I mean, problem.
How were you doing
That
on Tucson,
was
by the way?
fine. Not great. Um, tell your chat thank you for being helpful. I
Thanks,
think they can hear
chat.
me. Um, thanks,
Maybe I'll
chat.
try Tucson too to account for the I don't know time difference.
Oh no, no, no. I think I just closed it. I think I just closed it. Um, I'll go through these and choose one that I like. Thank you again.
Yeah. All right. See ya. Good luck
Good luck.
again.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, chat, for pointing that out. That would have been bad if you spent the entire time on Twosome. Whoops. Should I try Twosome too to try to even out the delay? I'll try this question first, and then maybe we'll do some Twosome. Don't want to jump back and forth. Okay, so now previous length is now equal to the current length. Yeah, okay. So right now we only took care of AB. We did not solve this substring thing yet. What is this? I plus 1? Are we gonna get index out of bounds error here? There's no way, right? There's no way. There's no way we get... Because if AB is at the very end, then we get 1 less than the index, right? So we should be fine. Yeah, okay. We should be fine. All the way to s dot length, I suppose. Also, why is my window so big? Okay. I feel like that's it for now. And then we return s dot length. Okay. It's not gonna work right now, but let's run it for a sanity check. I predict right now it's gonna, well, assuming we don't get any compilation errors, which we're gonna get, we're just gonna return we're going to remove all the ABs. Yeah, so this we should get FCA-CDB. Yeah. All right, case 1 is 7. Let's print out what we're reducing it to. System.out.println S. CL crashed again, maybe? Oh no, did CL crash? Let's see. There should be +1, isn't it? Since we're skipping it. Run. AB. Oh wait. I +2 because we're skipping 2 characters here. Cool, okay. We're successfully removing the AB now. So now we're getting just FCA-CDB. Very cool, okay. Yeah, should we check on CL? Her channel is actually pretty hard to search up on YouTube because I don't think YouTube pays attention to the semicolon. So what I do is I saved her collab with the over here, and then I click on the collab. And then I click on her name here. That's how I find her channel. Dang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dang, she restarted her stream like 6 times. Her internet must be struggling. Well, yeah, maybe we should try twosome after this to try to offset the delay. All right. Okay, so we're removing all the ABs now. Let's remove all the CDs now. So after this step, we need to remove the CD over here. Okay. Okay. Should this be an else statement? Should we do it all in one pass? We could. Let's say we just remove one pair, AB or CD, in one loop. So else if, you know what? It doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt to do it all in one pass. So I is now equal to s dot index of CD. Okay, it's basically going to be the same here, right? If I is greater than or equal to 0, then we do the string concatenation here. Yeah, okay. And then previous length is equal to current length. Okay, let's run this. Wrong answer. FCAB. Okay, so we removed the CD, I believe. FCACDB. Yeah, okay. Very good. Why are we not removing the last AB over here? Huh. Is CL doing okay? Would it be cheating if I clicked into her stream? What if I see what code she's writing? Dang, I hope she's doing okay though. I hope she's doing okay. Her stream seems to be, well, her internet seems to be suffering right now. Hopefully she's doing fine. Meanwhile, I'm struggling over here. She back? Okay, that's good to hear. Okay, so why are we not removing the last AB over here? It's kind of weird. AB. Okay. You know what circuit breaker says? When in doubt, print stuff out. I think it's time to start printing out stuff. So let's print out what our current string that we are processing is. So current s is equal to this. And then let's print out, what do we want to print out? Let's print out the index of the thing we found. Stem.out.println AB found at plus I. Okay. And then likewise for here, we'll do CD is found at blah blah index. Because I'm not even sure if we're detecting the last AB. And okay, let's run this. Okay, so current S is AB, CA, AB found at 0, good, CD found at 3, and then we get FCAB. Okay, so I know what the issue is now. We're for some reason not looping back. We're doing only one loop. Why are we not? Previous length is equal to current length. Oh. Current length is equal to s dot length. Do we update current length anywhere? Current length should just be s dot length, right? The current one. Or we can just update current length over here. And then current length is equal to the current s dot length. Yeah, okay. So these should be different now. Previous length is equal to the previous current length, and the current length is equal to the actual s dot length. So if we do this, we shouldn't run more than one loop. Hey, let's go. It worked. Nice. Okay. Should I submit now? Should I give CL some buffer room? You know what? I think I'll just submit now and then start working on twosome to try to account for her late start. Yeah. Let's go. It worked, boy. Oh well, it's kind of slow, but it works. I'm really curious how she's doing now. Can I watch her stream a bit?
What remains? So to the resulting length of the string is 2. It can be shown that this is the minimum length we can obtain. How do I know though? Output 5, we cannot do any operations.
I see. She's basically just reading the question now. Okay. Cool. Let's try twosome. Let's try twosome. It's been a while since I did twosome too. Leetcode. Twosome. Because she was working on this by mistake earlier. Given an array of integers, you didn't watch live? What do you mean I didn't watch live?
Do we basically take what you have? Should I take? Yeah, because the return value is also integer.
Oh,
Um,
oh, she's on the other problem now. Okay, very cool. Oh, okay, never mind. She's making progress. Maybe I don't need to do some. Maximum depth of n-ary tree, which is the one that she's doing right now. Given an n-ary tree, find its maximum depth. The maximum depth is the number of nodes along the longest path from the root down to the furthest leaf node. Oh my freaking god. How do you do this? Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, right? 3, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. How do we do this? Well, first we need to traverse the tree, right? Tree traversal is usually recursion, right? We can do some easy DFS search, depth first search, so wait, how do we do this? For every single node, we look at its children, right? Should we pass a parameter in the recursion that tracks the current depth and then increment it every time we go down a level, maybe? I feel like that's a way to do it. How do we bubble that up, though? Return statement? Huh. Yeah, return statement? This is all really hand-wavy now. I'm not sure if it would work. What in the frick? How? My brain, it hurts. Okay, I'm thinking we do recursion. In the parameters, we maintain a variable that tracks which level we're at now. So, every time you make a recursion call, you increase that thing by 1. Is the bubble up going to work, though? I really don't know if the bubble up is going to work. If we put that into the return statement, so I just return what my children returns. That should work, right? That should work. I feel like that should work. I have no way of proving it, though. Okay, that's what I'm going to do, though. So we're going to need a helper function for this because the parameter for the recursion is not built into this function. So we're going to do int. What do we call this function? The node, and then int level. Should we call it level depth to match with the problem? Okay, that's the scoreboard, by the way. Okay, what in the world do we do here? We make a recursive call to all of our children, right? This is not a binary tree, it's an n-ary tree. Oh, there's another case where I didn't consider. There could be multiple children, right? And they could return me all sorts of different numbers. So I should probably take the maximum of what my children return. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Oh, that's going to be a bit of a hassle. Okay. So int max depth from children. I'll just call max depth is equal to 0. Okay. How do I get my children? Children? Okay. So for every single node, child in n.children the heck do you do here? How do I process my children? Recursion? You do another heh heh with the child. And yeah, the current depth plus 1, right? Plus 1. Oh yeah, and then we just keep updating our max depth with the result, right? Math.max. So, ooh, okay. It's time for big braining time. So our max depth, which is our result, is equal to math.max, the maximum of the current max depth, and the recursive call. This is kind of messy. I'm going to put into a different row. So int child depth is equal to this, the child plus 1, child comma depth plus 1, and then the max depth is equal to the max of the current max depth and the current child's depth. And then in the end, we return max depth. This is either going to work beautifully or it's going to flop completely. Returned with the root node. The root node has depth 1, right? Because the depth is 3, 1, 2, 3. Is this going to work? Run. Wrong answer. No. Output is 0, expected 3. Oh no, why? Why am I outputting 0 for everything? It don't make sense. Why? Oh. Oh wait. I know what's going on. The leaf node is probably going to return like 0, right? Max depth is equal to... Huh. The leaf node is going to return 0 too. Oh. We're supposed to add... So this is the child's max depth, right? What is my max depth? My max depth is me plus the child's max depth. So 1, which represents me, the current node I'm at, plus the child's max depth. So I should be doing 1 plus max depth over here. Yeah, okay. This should be renamed to a better thing then. Max child depth, maybe? That should be a better way. Yeah. That should be a better way to name it. Yeah. So again, my depth is equal to me, 1, plus my child's max depth. Yeah. I feel like that's how you do it. Gersamron says, hey, hello. Hi, Gersamron. Gersamron, yeah, I'm pronouncing it right. I keep forgetting how to pronounce your name. Child depth, max depth? Oh, max child depth. Bam. Congrats, though. Oh, for the job? Thank you. That's really nice of you. Please work. Hey, let's go. I think it worked. Yeah. Okay. What's CL up to? The score's still 1-0 right now. You can call me Guri or Guri. Oh, Guri. Okay, I'll call you Guri then. It's shorter. PogChamp Senpai says, good job, Chet. She is working on it. Okay. Am I allowed to peek at what she's doing? Oh,
And then
okay, she's doing it a completely different method than me. I think she's doing it the Lamau, don't struggle hard for pronouncing a name.
is the thing that you call, but this is mine. So, let's assume we have none of these.
Oh wait. Actually, she's doing it the Oh, never mind. Yeah, I was gonna say she's doing it the iterative way, right? That sounds harder. How would you even do it the iterative way? I guess while it's not null, keep going downwards for each child while it's not null. Yeah, beats me. Beats me. Should we try some twosome? Because she actually had a delayed start and her internet was shoddy too, so she had to take care of internet issues. Let's do some twosome while we wait for her to, catch up back to us. I think it's only fair. Let's try some twosome. Leetcode, twosome. Iterative way is stack. I was also thinking you could possibly do this with breadth first search, maybe with the queue. You just, typical breadth first search, you keep inputting. Wait, could you do this with breadth first search? You have a current queue and a previous queue. Wait, queue? I don't know. Can't you just keep inputting? Can you not keep inputting like each layer into the queue? Wait, I swear I've seen something like this before. Maybe you have two queues, like for the parent queue and the child queue. Parent queue starts off with the root, and then in the child queue you input all of its children, and then after you're done with that, you take the child queue, which is now the new parent queue, and then you input all of their children into the other queue again, which is now the child queue, the new child queue. And then you count how many queues you end up processing. I feel like that's a way to do it. Yeah. We have only 24 minutes left. Okay. Anyways, let's try to do what she just tried to do. She was trying this, wasn't she? Given an array of integers nums and an integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. Guri says that's space intensive. Yeah, it is. Using multiple keys for this, huh? I guess space would be worst case, the maximum number of leaf nodes I have, or whatever the widest row is. Yeah. Anyways, let's try what she was doing to some. Return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. Okay, target 9, 0, 1. Wait, what? You may assume, wait. Return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. Oh, there's only one solution? Oh, so I could really predefine an array with just two. Yeah, just two indices. Int result is equal to new int 2. Yeah, okay. Yeah, there's only guaranteed one solution of two numbers. Okay. So we're supposed to return the indices. Try to pass. Wait, I thought two sum was supposed to be really easy. It's a lot more difficult than I remember. What in the world? Okay. I mean, brute force, we can, for every single number, search the rest, right? And see if you add up to your target. For example, 2, we search 7, 11, 15. 7, 11. And then you see that 7 adds up to 9. And then 7, you search the rest, 11, 15. Okay. That's n-squared time, though. What if we do a hash set? So we just do one pass then. So we have 2, okay. Put 2 in the hash set. We've seen 2, 7. And then we're like, okay, what do I need to add to 7 to get to target, which is 9? 2. Have I seen 2 in the past? Yes, that's its index. Yeah, okay. Hash set it works. And we can do it in one pass. Okay, yeah. We just maintain a hash set to track what we've seen in the past. And then for each element, we try to find, okay, what added to me is equal to the target. Have I seen that in the past? If yes, then return my index and the other number's index. Yeah, that's the solution, right? Okay, we'll probably need a hash map for this though, not a hash set, because we need to track the number and its index as well. Okay, let's go. Hash map. Man, twosome, I don't remember twosome being this complicated. Integer, let's call it scene, meaning the numbers we've seen in the past, is equal to new hash set, yay, or new hash map, yay. Okay. And then for, let's bump this to the bottom, for every single int I, for every single index from start to end, so I starts at 0, well, I is less than nums.length, I++. Hurrah. Okay. What do we do here? So we get the correct number, right? Nums I. Int current is equal to nums I. And then we try searching for its target. Int. Oh, target is already a word. So we'll just do complement. We'll call it the complement. Complement. My complement, me plus my complement is equal to the target. Is equal to target minus the current. Yeah, okay. So if in my memory I have seen my complement, then, you return the solution. This whole shtick, right? The result is equal to an array of size 2. Result, the first element, we'll set it to the current index, I suppose, of the current word, or the current number. And then result I is equal to the index of the current number's complement. So we'll do scene.get complement. Yeah, okay. And then we